Another example for word problems is this. A 40 mm diameter pipe can fill the tank alone in 5 hours, and another 600 mm diameter pipe can fill the tank alone in 4 hours. A drain pipe, 300 mm diameter, can empty the tank in 20 hours. With all the three pipes open, how long will it take to fill the tank? So dito we have 4 pipes open. 5, it could take up to 5 hours, 4 hours, and 20 hours. Again, let's have X to be the time needed to complete the work. So we have here, fill the tank, yung dalawa, to 5 hours, yung isa, fill the tank for 4 hours, but the other pipe is draining the tank for 20 hours. So we're asked to get the time kung the time will it take to fill the tank. So basically, the first tank, ang rate niya is 1 over 5 hours, plus yung isa is 1 over 4 hours. Tapos yung draining tank, kasi nagdi-drain, so negative. Okay? Di-drain niya yung tubig, 1 over 20 hours is equal to 1 over x. Okay? So if you will use your calculator again, you can just get directly to be equal to 2.5 hours.